Hello Lesson Learned Warriors. This is Daniel again at the Center for Army Lessons Learned, Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. Today, using this screencast, I will show you how to jumpstart your Lesson Learned program in 3 easy steps. First, I will demonstrate how to obtain a copy of Department of the Army Pamphlet 1133. Second, using a copy of 1133, I will show you how to find a list of your duties. Third, I will provide a sample appointment letter and give some basic advice for filling one out. So let's get started. The U.S. Army Publishing Directorate is at armypubs.army.mil. Be sure to use the HTTPS. Once there, simply click on the Publications tab and go down to PAM DA Pamphlets and click on that. There you'll see a list of all the DA pamphlets. You want PAM 1133, the Guide to the Army Lesson Learned Program. So click on that. That takes you to the record of details for PAM 1133. PAM 1133 is offered as an ebook or PDF. You can download the PDF and save it to your desktop if you wish. Let's click on PDF in the browser. Next, I'll show you how to find a description of your duties in PAM 1133. Now that you have a copy of PAM 1133 and you have it open, you should go directly to Chapter 5, the Organizational Lesson Manager. So I'll scroll down to Chapter 5. In Section 5-1, there's a description of your Organization Lesson Manager duties. So simply highlight Section 5-1, paragraphs A and B. Right-click and copy. Now you can draft an appointment letter in Microsoft Word. I've started it for you here. Notice the first paragraph has your name and rank. For the remaining paragraphs, I recommend you keep it simple. Just use what you copied from Section 5-1 and paste it into the appointment letter. Be sure to adjust the paragraphs numbers to 2 and 3 using paragraphs A and B. Also remember to take out any special characters that came with the paste. Finally, send it to your training officer and your administration officer, also called the S1. They will finish this appointment letter for you and submit it to the commanding officer for signature. That's it. Thanks for watching my screencast, and good luck jumpstarting your Lesson Learned program.